Okay guys, not only is it the fluvial today, which we'll be going to later on to video, because I really do like that bit where it's basically the end of Peñafrancia. It's also fiesta today, and it's a massive day because all the families get together. This family come from Daet and Iriga, and tonight there's going to be lots of food. Well, there's lots of food now, they're eating in there. Alcohol, I'll not be, this will be the first fiesta I'm not drinking. Videoke, yeah. Now Chuck always sells the chicken, but it's more lucrative today for him to sell it.
He will not sell chicken because it's fiesta. Loads of people have food.
That's what I've just said.
Yeah, that's what I explained.
Yeah, all right, there's no point in him selling chicken, but it is more lucrative for him to sell ice.
Yeah, it's popular, the ice.
And it's like, there you go. So it's 20 pesos a kilo, guys, right, for the ice. But there's nobody gonna buy the ice until the 5 peso ice runs out. We've run out of ice. We've sold 25 pieces of ice, and it helps. Every little bit helps. You can see there's nobody selling food because there's no point, like Mel's just said. The street's been made one way. Yeah. So I was going to show you down there, they've made a makeshift tent and stuff, but they're singing on karaoke and will get shut down. If you had a, yeah, copyright, beautiful Filipina and a big family, because like I've said many times, the Yukim family's massive.
Some music.
Yeah, it's not loud. Can you speak up, babe?
It's okay, okay.
It's okay. Have you got anything to say to our subscribers? Well, Am's wonderful, babe.
Thank you for always supporting our channel, guys.
Is that it? My God. So that's it. Just a quick video, guys, to see what's happening today.
Later we will go to the house. We will eat there.
So what's happening here then, Mal? I've just bought her a hammer and Myra a hammer. 100 pesos each. It's outrageous.
And that small one is 80. You better the big one.
Now, normally if it wasn't fiesta, they'd be cheaper because nobody would buy them. But because it's, oh, look at the chicks. 50 pesos in this. Put food colour on them. You see, if we had a place with some land, we'd have chickens, ducks. That's about it. Two big nasty dogs.
You know, when you buy buko, we have also like that right there.
Yeah. God. See, one gets them, the whole family wants them. I've just been asked by about 5 kids. It's like, nope. Oh, Beanie, are you going to get a balloon? Oh my God. Are we running a raffle? I think Tintin must be on some kind of medication. I said, are you getting a chicken? She says it's a duck. See, it amazes me how the simplest of things makes the kids excited. They're paying for some kind of raffle. What's the raffle for? Beanie, what's the raffle for?
No, it's not a raffle. It's like you get some paper and then you will think if what's the correct number. So if you won, if you get the correct number, and then you will have a prize, which is the bird.
So how do you know if you got the correct number then?
They will put into the water so it will show the real number. You will just, ano nga nitong hula thing?
Oh, guess the number on the ticket.
Yeah.
When they put it in the water,
And then it-
if it's that number, you win.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I see. Well, it's a bit like a raffle, isn't it? Everybody's going to Orban to eat. And there's loads of food here. And they said, no, we want different. Don't make that face, Mel, you look so ugly. See, beautiful hangit. Joke land. Come on then, are we going or what? So we're going on a long hot walk, guys. See you in a mall.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Arthur Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albarjich, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.